Windows Server 2025 has been released. Whenever a new OS is launched, I create a disk image of the installed system using Sysprep to facilitate testing in a Hyper-V environment. This method is highly convenient because, when creating a new VM, I can simply copy the disk image file to immediately load the OS. This is based on Windows Server 2025 and Hyper-V. Hyper-V, New, Virtual Machine. Name specification. Set default location. Confirm generation 2, next. Set RAM, next. Specify network adapter, next. Confirm disk location, next. Specify installation disk, finish. Double-click on the created VM. Start. Enter the key to proceed with the installation process. Select language. Next. Agree, next. I entered an AVMA key as I am using it in a Hyper-V environment. Accept. Next. Install. Once the installation is complete, the screen will appear as shown. At this point, press Shift-Ctrl F3 simultaneously. The system will reboot. The screen will appear as shown. Select Obey, Generalize, and Shutdown, then click OK. Back up the created VHDX disk image. This disk can be used to streamline the OS installation process. Now, let's create a VM using the image made with Sysprep. Select Virtual Disk. You can save a lot of time as the VM is created without a separate installation process. You can confirm that Windows Server 2025 is running properly on the VM. If you have a virtual disk created with Sysprep, you can automate VM creation using the Powershell script shown on the screen. I've written this script on my blog, so feel free to adapt and use it if needed. Please note that you may need to translate the blog into English. I've automated the VM name, number of cores, RAM, network adapter, VHD selection, and VHD copy location. If you frequently perform tests, Sysprep can significantly reduce the time spent on simple installation tasks. This concludes the prepared video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment.